Hi guys, I have to do this video again because I tried to do it but it said error, so that's fine. I need more practice anyway. So what I wanted to do, what I originally did, was I'm introducing the Dyson Airwrap Complete. This one is the one that has all of the attachments. So you have everything. You have two sizes of your curlers. You have two different smoothing brushes, and then you have a volumizing round brush. But also not pictured is the air amplifier, which looks very similar to like their Helmholtz Circle fans, the AM09, the air purifier, bladeless air. Okay. I'm like, I had just done this. I spent like 7 minutes doing it and we had an error. That's fine. Whatever. YouTube. I usually don't make YouTube videos. So, what you want to do is you want to work with damp hair. So it doesn't want to be, you don't want to have it dripping wet, but just a little damp. Water will kind of break the hydrogen bond in your hair. It doesn't break it forever, but it's just to soften the, I should say soften. I don't want to say water's gonna break your hydrogen bond. So then heat or water reforms your hydrogen bonds in your hair. So we're gonna use, I'm gonna use the curl away from my face because I want the curls next to my face to go that way. I don't want them to curl inward. I explained in the last video, but it didn't come out, so. So all I'm gonna have to do is just hold here, and then the hair is gonna wrap around the machine. Oh, I forgot, oh no, I don't have the right one on there. One sec. Is this the right one? No. There it is. Snap on really easily. So I'm like, which section did I get all nice and damp? So I'm gonna hold it here, and then I'm gonna hold this, and then it's gonna wrap itself around, just like that. I'll just kind of pull it a little bit closer to my scalp here. Doing this motion, it dries the hair as well. So I'm styling and I'm drying at the same time. And then I'm gonna push up, so that's gonna put the cold air on, and that cold air is gonna reform my curl. Okay, and then you just pull down. Wow, that's pretty cool. I just took like a whole section of my hair, like I'm almost done curling my hair already, and I've only done one. And I'm gonna do the next to the one right in front of my face. I should have done that one, why didn't I? I have no method to my madness. Okay. Let's get it a little bit wet. Hold here in the middle. Turn on my magic machine. Stays cool to the touch, so you don't have to worry about burning your hair or anything like that. And this does still have the supersonic temperature protection. want to make sure it's dry. All right, and I'm going to put the cold shot on now. Prepare to be amazed. All right. I probably could have cooled that one a little bit longer. Oh, look at that. So my hair is like naturally stick straight. Whenever I dry it, it's just straight. As it gets longer, there's a little tiny bit of a wave to it. My hair was different when I was younger, but now that I'm an old lady, it's this way. That's pretty cute. So yeah. What do I want to say about this? It's going to replace your hairdresser. If your hairdresser doesn't have one, tell them they need to get it. You really could really do anything with your hair with this one. Because you can straighten it, you can curl it, you can give it a bunch of volume. And then because it is constantly checking your heat in there. Oh, but it's 40 times a second now. So on the supersonic, the temperature control only checked the temperature 20 times a second, and now the Airwrap checks it 40 times a second. So you really don't have to worry about your hair getting damaged. My hair actually feels softer and a little bit shinier. If you can kind of see it, there's a little bit of a shine to it. Interesting. The hair back here, not so shiny, huh? Pretty cool. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully this video works.